Habitat: peacocks are usually found in India, Sri Lanka, Southeast Asia, and parts of Africa. Due to human development and habitat destruction, they are endangered in some areas. Diet: peacocks are primarily plant eaters. They eat fruits, seeds, and insects, with a particular preference for berries. Feathers and courtship: male peacocks have beautiful feathers, which play a major role in courtship. Males spread their distinctive feathers to show off their beautiful colors and patterns. This attracts females and helps in breeding. Flocks and social structure: peacocks often form small flocks and lead social lives. Herds often consist of females and their young, with males leaving the herd to fend for themselves during courtship. Females nest on the ground and usually lay 3 to 6 eggs.